Midnight. A 3-year-old surviving the night alone. Yekstoris huruhokihai eka is a scene se yokise nightmare se kamnai. Kolmsal ka pachcha, raat ke andhere mein pheka hua, kam praha, aura keda. Sabo pla sawan, makahanti. AAP notice carrying Kai's narrative immediately accountability, key teraf shift hoda high. Yes, surf lost child call nai high. Yeah, potential child endangerment investigation high. 035 Officer Bakise County Bat Karta High. Where you live, buddy? Yahan Deki Policing Ka soft side. Officer Ka, tone gentle high. Kyun? Kiun ke victim tot de high. Procedure ya Keda high, ku child ko secure karo. Safe environment do. For guardian locate karo. Yahan situation bilkul tense host sakti t. Busy road, dark night, traffic hazard. AAP Kia Sakti Hain? Agar wo driver brake nalagata. Har second ka impact, kitna critical da. Short summary. Child recovered safely. Of focus shift haga guardian responsibility par.
Where you live, my man? Oh, okay. All right, we can do that. Buddy, where you live? You live over here? What's your name? Oh, buddy. Buddy. What's your mommy's name? Do you live over here? Yeah? Over there? What's your name?
Back at the scene, a lost toddler, barefoot, unsupervised. Tonight, luck was the only thing keeping him safe.
Okay.
Almost blind as we all.
Yeah. You got your driver's license on you, sir?
Yes.
I know, dude. I know, dude. We'll find your mom.
When police knock, Mom says, "Is he not here?" This is Schrodinger's toddler, both in bed and in the street.
Just turned 3.
What's he wearing?
Is he not here?
I have a feeling he's not.
Oh, you're saying he's not here?
I don't know. Go.
131. Police knock at the door. Mother car reaction. Is he not here? Ap notit kadin kais kun fusin imazet flaban zata hai. Zap pazen ko pata hi nahi ke chugamen haya nahi. Inela indicato hai. Officer pukta hai. What's he wearing? I verifisan dentik hoti hai. Opfisa confirm kata hai ke paden aktu nalet dakha haya guet kadaha hai. 156. How much you have to drink last night? Yahan investigation, officially direction change, car, Dedi high. Yes, surf missing child nahi. Possible intoxicated supervision case high. AAP Kia expect car rahida? Key surf warning Malaji? Dekuch CDS on foul donevalai?
Is he wearing blue striped pajamas?
Yes. I'm sorry, I fell back asleep. I've been up since 5 in the morning.
How much did you have to drink last night? Can we come in?
Yeah, you can come in.
Bruce, come on.
Oh my God, stop. Don't tell me this is true. Where is he?
I have him.
Oh, God. I'm going to have a panic attack right now.
How much did you have to drink last night, Brooke?
I had 1 beer.
One beer all night.
Yes, I'm sick. I'm getting over a cold. I'm sorry, I'm about to have a panic attack right now. Oh, God. He got over his gate. I was literally sleeping. I didn't go to bed till like 5 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, so he was in here?
Yes. In here. And he
Okay, well,
climb over
when I was
it.
here earlier, you said he was awake, and I said, go pay attention to your child.
Yes, and then he
And
fell
instead-
back asleep.
You need to be honest with me now. I don't think you only had one beer.
I probably had a shot and a beer. I can do a breathalyzer.
Your kid was walking down 31
No.
with no shoes on. Has this happened before?
Yes. Yes.
203. Where is he? Officer, I have him. Yet turning point high. Malko realization hoti hoi kiskiviko dahtiag vose daharta. Emotional breakdown start. Lekin deki kai's officer calm, reda high. Procedure simple high. Child condition assess. Parents sobriety evaluate. Scene safety confirm. Haija haimulam foot. Mota admit gati haike nambay dak dahiti. Sleep deprivation plus alcohol equals impaired supervision. Legal nuance samajai. Child endangerment, kaliya, physical injury, zarori, nahi hodi. Risk create karna high sufficient hoda high. AAP notice carrying kai's officer's subtle pressure build karda high. Be honest with me. Ye investigative interviewing technique.
He's gotten like out the door before. I literally bought something right here. Are you guys arresting me?
I don't know yet. Deep breath. Blow. Keep blowing here. I'll blowing. Blow harder. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, here's yours. That's good.
Okay, thank you. I promised you I had
No, I know, and I get it.
I had a beer and I had a shot last night, and like he said, he saw all those limes over there. Like that was him all night.
Like he was scared, and well, I want you to know that stuff. I'm not saying it to be mean. I'm saying it from a father to a mother. That now, next time you think about making a bad choice, you think about the traumas, the trauma he went through today.
Yeah.
And be happy that there was this nice gentleman going to the airport that stopped, slammed on his brakes, whipped a U-turn, and grabbed your son out of traffic.
Stuff all over his knees, so he clearly fell going up and down the hill
Yeah, and
to get to the
he was
highway.
probably running around out there. So I know you're arresting me.
Yes.
Like I said, I've never done anything wrong before. But I would really appreciate it if you just let me. I'll put it on speakerphone. Just call my mom.
We'll call your mom when we get to the
Tell her-
PD. That's fine. No, you can call your mom when we get to the police department.
Yeah, but you guys, I've seen it on TV.
This
My
isn't like
brother's
TV.
Homeland Security. Like I've seen it on
This isn't TV.
This isn't TV.
Homeland Security
You have
doesn't
to
follow the
wait to
same
get a
rules we
phone
do.
No,
call or
Brooke,
something.
Brooke, I'm extremely transparent. Haven't I not already been? I'm not going to lie to you. I get no benefits of lying. I'm honest to a fault. It usually gets me in trouble.
And then the bigger one right there is to get in the building.
Okay.
Well, we're going to take them all with. We just want to lock your door.
Okay.
31 on 83. I'll get you at 27 in a minute.